Here's a quick little extra for the ukulele jammers. It's the theme tune from Neutron. It sounds something like this. And the reason why I want to do this is to help reinforce the difference between the finger numbers, the fret numbers, and the string numbers. I've noticed that sometimes it's reading the tab, which is the notation we use for ukulele and guitar, that sometimes we get confused between the number 3. Does it mean finger 3? Does it mean string 3? Does it mean fret number 3? Here we go. I'm going to explain it now. Now, in between the video, I will be including the tab picture referring to what I'm actually using in the video, or doing in the video rather. And the numbers are always the fret numbers. So when you see a 3, it means that 3 there. When you see the 0, it means an open string. Okay, so let's take it through now slowly, step by step, starting with the open zeros as shown on the tab in the next frame. You've just seen the 2 red zeros highlighted there, and it means we're playing the bottom string, the first string. You can see it vibrating there. It should sound something like this, twice. Now on the picking, if you're using a plectrum like I'm using over here, I want you to pick down, up to get the alternative strokes. And if you're using fingers, in other words, I put my pick down, try to pick with the first finger, not with the thumb. Remember, if you use the thumb might be easier at first, but the thumb will never get as fast as the first finger can. Now, one more time, I'm going to go back to the pick. The zeros mean open strings. And now onto the next tab frame. You'll notice there it's a 3 that's now highlighted, and we said that the number 3 means fret number 3. And you can see fret number 1, fret number 2, the third little block over here, this entire section between that line and that line, between there and there, is fret number 3. Notice also that I'm using my first finger. My fingers are numbered. First finger for fret number 3. So if we put the introductory zeros and the 3s together, we have this. And it's not about speed right now, it's about getting the notes even. So this would be bad because the rhythm is broken. If I do this, that's much better. It's smooth. So you can go faster as long as the tempo is even. Okay, on to the next note. On the previous page you would have seen 5s, fret number 5, and again you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, the goal of this exercise or this video is to play a cool tune, and more importantly to understand how the tab works. And when we get to more complex songs where we need to read the numbers, we understand what they're saying. Okay, so any questions, you don't hesitate to ask me. But again, you just saw 2 5s, fret number 5, down, up stroke, and again using finger number 3. So you use the same on your side too, please. On to the next tab. Almost finished the first bar. You'll notice that the preceding frame had 3s again. So we're back to finger 1 in fret number 3. Now, if you do it slowly, I'm going to try and get a bit of a different angle here so you can see the frets perhaps a bit better. If I take it from the beginning, you're starting with open, 3rd fret, 5th fret, 3rd fret. One more time, 2, 3, 4. Want to play through with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if you want to, try and the second bar as well and see what happens. The second bar with the first bar should sound something like this. So I'm going to play the complete first and second bar, in other words, everything on the tab. I'm going to count in and do it slow, so if you want to play through with, you can just rewind the video and join me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice the pinky is playing the 6, which you'll see in the second tab. Again, parents, if we're not happy with the reading of the tab and you want to ask any questions again, just please drop me a WhatsApp or give me a call. Be happy to help. I want us to get the notation and a good solid foundation to start with. Otherwise, have an awesome week and we'll see you soon. Thank you.